Hi everyone, my name is Alice, and I will share some 45 fat burning secrets, easy ways to lose weight fast. This book is priced at $20, but I'm offering it freely. First, go to Google search, then type loseweight2030.com. You will be redirected to the screen where you will click on the blue Begin Download button. Then click on the next button that appears. So, is it possible to achieve rapid weight loss? This is a rather intriguing question. In the past, there was a belief that fast weight loss was not ideal, but it turns out that speed is not the issue. It's about shedding the weight effectively. If you aim for quick results, the best approach is to significantly reduce your calorie intake. This means consuming fewer than 1,000 calories per day. Additionally, regular exercise is crucial for expediting the process. Another method for swift weight loss is through intermittent fasting. This involves limiting your eating to an 8-hour window and fasting for the remaining 16 hours of the day. These strategies are effective. However, the quickest method often involves incorporating protein shakes and bars into your diet while having a single small meal per day. What's the simplest way to shed pounds? One of the most straightforward approaches is to regularly weigh yourself. Studies show that individuals who weigh themselves daily tend to lose more weight than those who don't. Exercise is another essential component, and while it may be slightly more effective for men, it is beneficial for women as well. Additionally, ensuring you get sufficient sleep is vital, as many Americans only sleep 5 to 6 hours a night. Increasing your sleep duration to 8 hours can positively impact your weight loss journey. When it comes to the best foods for weight loss, there isn't a particular superfood. Instead, the emphasis should be on unprocessed foods. The American diet predominantly consists of highly processed foods. Shifting towards whole fruits and vegetables, without the need for juicing or supplements, is a wise choice. This includes options like beans, peas, corn, as well as jicama, celery, and tomatoes. Lastly, lean proteins are excellent additions to your diet and can support your weight loss efforts. And again, this was just a summary of what is in the book. Just go ahead and download the full ebook that you will read at your convenience. Stay tuned to this channel because I will be adding more premium, lose weight books for free. Remember to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.